and I miss you.
What's up, y'all?
What's up, y'all?
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are out here on this beautiful 67-degree day weather, and we got the Redcat volcano out. We got the Redcat volcano out, and what we're going to do is see if we can keep that gear spur on there to do some stunts and whatnot. Make sure it doesn't come off this time like it did last time. If you want to check out that video, it should be popping up right about here. All right, so enough talking. Let's just run her.
A few moments later.
Because why are you going so...
Woo! She is fast.
Christopher.
I must say, for a four-wheel drive vehicle, this thing is an absolute blast. The torque is ridiculous. The speed is ridiculous. I think I'm in love with this truck. Let's go. No words. I have no words right now for how fun this thing is. And I'm a Traxxas guy at heart, but this is, whew, we got to put this up against one of the Traxxas ASAP. That'll be a video coming up soon. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button. Like this video, give it a thumbs up if you want to see more action with the Redcat volcano. Wow, that's all I can say is wow. This summer's gonna be something. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Also, make sure you're following us on no.pros.rc to get the latest inside scoop before the tube. All right.
A few moments later.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
We're broke. So get down. Looks like we broke a wheel, guys. All right. The next video.